21 days challenge. Can you do it? I know you can't do. And if you can do, then there are only 6 rules to follow. Rule number 1. Stop watching porn. Number
5 sad truth about girls. 1. When a girl laughs too much, it doesn't always mean that she is happy.
These type of videos are getting so much attention nowadays because these are made by AI. You don't have to actually make your video. As you can see, this is a completely new Instagram page. It has only 56 posts and are getting more than 1 lakh views per video. Not only this page, I have seen many pages which are doing the same. Check this page. It has only 54 posts and 1 lakh followers. Yes, 1 lakh followers. And if I play his video, he is also making this type of AI videos. Let's play one video.
4 things to remember in hard times. Number 1. Never be ashamed of your struggles. Number 2. Every successful person has faced hard times.
As you can see, these are AI generated videos, and if you check his videos, he is getting average 50,000 to 1 lakh views per video. As you can check, this video got 18.9 million views. And if I click this video,
the 8 plus 8 plus 8 rule. Distribute your 24 hours into 8, 8, 8 hours to make a good balance sheet of your life.
he is making motivational videos with the help of AI. So I will show you how you can make this type of video. So first of all, you will need an AI generated image. For that, I will use Lexica. Here you can see there are a lots of images. You can search for any image. Let's say I will search an old man with a beard. So you will get a plenty of results for an old man with beard. So I will pick this picture. Below this picture you will see download option. You have to download this. So the next step is to generate a script. For a script I will use ChatGPT. So I will ask ChatGPT 5 motivational quotes by wise men. And it will generate beautiful quotes for your video. So you can copy one by one. I will copy this one. Don't copy the name, just copy the quotes. And then you have to search this website, DID. And this is the website which will generate AI video. So you have to click try it now. Start free trial. Then create a video. So you have to paste the script. And you will need an audio. For audio, I will use 11 Labs. It's a free website to generate AI voice. You have to search 11 Labs. Here you have to paste the script.
The only way to do great work is to love what you do.
Wow, this looks very professional voice. So I will download this. As you can see, my voice is downloaded. So now I will go back to that website, DID. And now I will pick an audio. So you have to sign in first. So I will pick that audio. You can pick these photos, but I will pick my own photo that I downloaded from that website. So I will pick this photo. Now I will click generate video. So it will start generating your video. So now I will copy the other quotes. Now I will click generate video and click generate. So it will start generating your video. And you can see it has generated the video. I will play it.
The only way to do great work is to love what you do.
As you can see, it looks really beautiful. So now I will tell you how you can give caption on this video. And yes, please like and subscribe so that YouTube algorithm will push my channel. So to generate AI caption, you have to download CapCut. Let's open it. Now I will create a project. So now I will pick this video. Let's import it.
The only way to do great work.
So here is the text option. You have to click this and click auto captions. In auto caption, now click create. It will start creating auto captions for you. Wait for a few seconds. So here it has created the caption for you. You have to adjust it. So first you have to choose any fonts. I will click on fonts. So this looks good. I will click this. So let's say I give some space. I will choose a color. Now move back. And here you can click any preset style. I will click this. Yeah, it looks good. This also looks good. So I will click this one. You can adjust the size. Now you can give animation. So here you can give animation. There is some error in my network, but you can give animation so that it will look more beautiful. When you finish editing this, you can click export and it will export your video.